Once we've mixed the acid, then we go ahead and spray it on all the concrete. Usually we'll do this in kind of a random pattern, a little here, a little there, and most often we do it in a couple of passes to make sure we get everything. Here's a view of the acid stain as it's drying. You kind of see a white haze over the entire floor. What this is, it's the residue that's created by the acid staining process. Over time that white haze starts to get colored, and that means that the acid is reacting. Once we're happy with the final acid stain color, we neutralize the whole floor. This stops the acid stain from continuing to react and getting darker. Part of that process is also scrub it to get rid of that residue that was left over from the staining process. Here are a couple of views of what the patio looks like after it's been stained, but before we seal it. The next step is sealing. The sealer we use is real thick and heavy, like you see here, almost like honey. We mix this with lacquer thinner, and that thins it out enough so that we can actually spray it. When you seal, it makes a tremendous difference in the color of the floor, as you can see here. By now you've probably got an idea why we've called this project Winds of Change. The entire project, it was windy from the first day to the last. A lot of the times it was pulling off the tape and the plastic right off the floor. Here we did a time-lapse recording of the second coat of sealer that we put on the floor. We always do 2 coats, and in the second one we put a material called Shark Grip to make it less slippery. Here's the final result, a beautiful red acid stained floor. There was one interesting feature of the whole project, and you may have noticed in some of the shots there was a small little green inlaid lizard that was in the concrete. Here we'll show you some close-ups of it as it really looked nice with the red background around.